SmoothTool is extremely easy to use. It's as easy to use as a smartphone. So all welders that intend to work with welding automation will within 30 minutes actually be able to set up their first welding pad. SmoothTool is a tool. It's today includes a huge number of features and functionalities, but week by week, day by day, it will be improved. At Smooth Robotics, we only work with developing software for the welder. So we will make new releases that will include more features and functionalities for the future as well.